Friends, welcome back. Now let's understand what is Kafka. Kafka is developed by Apache. It is open source. Kafka is a distributed streaming platform. It is based on PubSub model. It is very similar to a messaging queue or real-time enterprise messaging system. It is based on PubSub model where a message will come from a publisher and subscriber will receive those messages and process that. Kafka is a distributed platform. When I say the distributed, it means it is not installed on one machine. It is distributed across multiple machines. Those machines we call it brokers or node. In Kafka world, we term them as a broker because it takes the message from the publisher and it gives it to consumer. Hence, it is a reliable. If one of the broker goes down, the complete Kafka will not down. Consumer and the publisher will keeps on working on the real-time data. The message will not be get lost, system will not be down. That is why it is reliable. Kafka is also very scalable application. Today you have 3 node cluster, let's say 3 brokers in Kafka cluster. Tomorrow you understand that no, we have to scale our application because user base are increasing day by day. Or maybe let's say during sale season, right? Amazon or Flipkart, they need to expand their system, right? Similarly, Kafka can be scalable. You can add multiple brokers at for given use case at given time. Kafka is decoupled. For now, understand it is decoupled system. How it is decoupled, I'll explain in next session. As you know, Kafka is based on messages. Messages are sent from one publisher to another consumer. Today it is based on some contract, but tomorrow based on the use case you have to add more features or you have to add more functionality. You have to modify that message. When I say message, nothing but the model which is flowing from one system to another system. That is why Kafka supports that. Even if you modify those messages in future, you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to make a lot of changes. Kafka is very time sensitive. When I say time sensitive, because it's a real time processing a PubSub model. It processes the data or message as soon as it arrives, right? That is why it is a very time sensitive platform. For example, in stock market, right? When you buy a stock or you watching the Twitter messages, right? Within a second, trends change. So that is why Kafka is very time sensitive. It doesn't consume a lot of time in processing or handling those messages. So that's it about Kafka. Let's understand the Kafka use case in next session.